Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. And let me just tell y'all, like, this is a billion-dollar industry. One client can change your life. Now, let me tell you something. I always say that this is a billion-dollar industry. And I'm not just talking to sound good. This is real. There is so much work out here that one business owner just landed one single client that's about to make her a multi-million-dollar business owner. One client, y'all. One client. That's all it took. Not 10, not 20, but one. That's why I keep saying there's enough money out here for everybody. Find your niche and master it. You don't have to compete. You just have to show up prepared. You have to know how to price right. You have to bid smart. And you have to know how to walk with confidence like you belong in the room, because you do. And if you ever doubted this industry, if you ever felt like you're too small or you're too late, let me be your wake-up call. There's money out here, and it's calculating every single day. The question is, are you in position to receive it? So come on, y'all. Let's stop playing small. Let's get to the bag, build our teams, and claim what's ours. Your million-dollar client can be one walkthrough away. Let's go.